Saki says we're ready to go in. Please listen carefully. Manu?
Yebo, asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje. Lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I am a lady aged 38 years old and need your advice. I have been married for 15 years to my now ex-husband. We have 3 kids together, 2 girls and a boy. I remember the last 2 years of our marriage was terrible. My husband started being distant. It really troubled me. I decided to talk to our tete, takatogariswa pasi, and he said ever since we welcomed our last born daughter, handichageza, like I used to. So he said a lot of hurtful things about my body and how I had changed over the years. He blamed me for not putting effort to stay attractive for him. What crushed me was him telling me that anonyara kuyenda nini kuma holidays with his other friends and their wives. Yes, my body went through a big change. But it's not that bad, KVG. I have a beautiful figure, Mukadzi anoratidza kuti akambozvara, but it's not bad at all. I spoke to my tete in private, vakati wedzera kugeza mwana wehanzdiziye. Varume ipwere, just do as he says. I started going to the gym in the morning and sometimes manheru after work. It took me about a year to snap back, and I hoped for him to comment and to be happier with me and my body. But nothing changed, not even our playtime mumba mikurara. I was surprised September 2022 achuya kwandiri wanting a divorce. We have 3 kids, beautiful kids, a home that we built for them. Why are we divorcing? Well, he said, I reconnected with my high school girlfriend and I never stopped loving her. I had 21 questions to ask. When did you reconnect? Have you been sleeping with her? Why did you make me feel insecure about my body? What about the kids? And so many other questions. He was calm about everything and asked me to stop fighting because his heart was with someone. This was coming from a 43-year-old with 3 kids. Well, that's my story, parts of it. September last year was the official breakup. I started looking for this woman on the internet and found her on Facebook. She was also married, looking at her old post. My issue is, I have things that I bought for my husband during that period. Aende. I got him a double-door buggy since achiti and asked him kuti tipe our daughter the car he was using when she turns 18. He was driving a CX-5. So I told him I want my car back because he accepted this birthday gift at a time that he had already checked out of the relationship. Yes, the car is in his name and he's refusing with it. I don't know if they are staying together yet. So Paanokumbira vana ndomunyima because he refuses to give me his residential address. Believes ndinozokonzeresa. So if he wants to see vana, he sees them under my roof. That's my rule. How can I recover my car from this man? And am I wrong for refusing to give him vana since ndisingazive kwaanogara? Hiyo I hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.
Thank you so much, Manu. That is our hot topic. Messages are coming in on our WhatsApp platform. You can feel free to call in. Teens wefungwa dzenyu. Nekuti tiwono kuti tinobatsira sei mdzimai tinyorera 0772162651 maswera sei.
Hello.
Maswera sei.
Good.
Ndinotenda maita basa mafona. Please go ahead.
Honestly, pamota vachati waziwo ukapa munhu chinhu we still legally registered in Taraki. You can't do anything uchitora unless yatoti ndoda kuidzoka ndege. So zvemota ngaasiyane zvake nazvo. Zvinowanikwa, yes, unokwanisa kupa munhu chinhu then later on become enemies or whatever. Ngangokaunda that loss.
And then nyevana.
Nyevana, technically she's correct. It's not safe for vana vaende in unknown address. it's safer for her kuti azive kuti vana vari kunoenda vachinoswera panhu pakaita sei.
Okay.
But somehow pamwe ari kudawo kuti munhu wake ange ari padhuze. Because this lady, from the look of it, she still has a lot of unanswered questions.
Yeah.
The way that it was approached and how it came to be.
Yes,
yes. So she still has a lot of questions and a bit of hope. Maybe there's something that could be done and things work out. Considering these guys have been married 15 years.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the whole lifetime.
Yeah.
But you never to relax as a partner of marriage. After 15 years, but actually go. Then all of a sudden, someone comes out that I shout out that.
Thank you so
much.
Yeah.
You know, I think women, they take it for granted. Sometimes men don't like to say things. Vachita try to safeguard my feelings the moment, you know. Sometimes but it seems like some women, they tend to lack upkeep, the smartness, the hygiene, and all the stuff. So by the time murume pano goes taura kuti ayo chigeza
anenge move on.
It's not like achiri nehanya nekuti ukageza ukazotanga kugeza achazoita shungu newe. Paaitwa neshungu dzekuti maybe zvinhu zvinogona kuchinja ndopacho paaitadza kutaura achitya kuita hate your feelings.
Hey.
So I encourage women to stay top notch all the time.
We can't.
Stay clean.
Guys, it's impossible,
very
guys.
Impossible.
But manzwazvo ataura akazoendake kugym nekuzoedza kusasei but you should understand, guys, the transition that we go through from being mudzimai ndichiri musikana nepandichabarawo nezvese izvi handiti.
Yeah, that one is understandable. You just understand my body changes which come with lots of labor, even aging. When you grow older, you can't be looking the same way you've been looking at 21 and 40 years. We all know that. But even changes for body and labor, it's very clean. You can tell with yes, moms is 50, but hey, one was better for that.
Okay.
We don't believe on 25 years married was stupid. I don't look at like 88, 40. And he almost better scratch back.
Okay. I hear you there. I feel that, this was just an excuse. Remember, this is someone who said, Kuti, he never, fell, he was always in love with this woman, right? Did he not say that, Saki, when you were reading? Kuti, abuda murudone munuyu, ne mskana wakadanana nae kuchikoro. Yango excuse, azonyanyutadza ugeza say Saki, pavana 3,
I think it's an excuse. And also, panyaya kugeza, I see a lot of men also say that.
Yeah.
But I'll just say, sometimes you realize that the woman has to cook, has to clean, has to do everything, has to tend to you, has to do all of those things. And she has to be looking good for you. But you are there, you're at home, you're on your phone. She can't even put the baby down.
Yeah.
She probably is asking you, can you hold the baby? And you're like, you're not helping her out. Yes.
There's a lot involved because I'm running around like what you're saying, the
house.
And
to make it worse, if you're working.
Imagine maybe I'm breastfeeding. There's a lot.
Right.
But
aende so that she can take a shower. But so that she can take care of herself. Just those little things. But back to the hot topic.
Yeah, back to that's part of the hot topic, right? Because a lot of messages are also coming in from the men.